Students, welcome to accountancy class. I am Narsimlu, commerce teacher. In this video, I will explain CEC first year accountancy and a problem that will come in the annual examination for 5 marks from the topic ledger. See here, the problem will be given like this. See, problem. Question: prepare Geeta account from the following particulars. 2014 March 7th, balance due from Geeta rupees 3,400. On March 8th, sold goods to Geeta rupees 1,500. On March 10th, purchased goods from Geeta rupees 1,000. On 15th March, paid cash to Geeta rupees 800. On March 23, received cash from Geeta rupees 400. On 25th, returned goods to Geeta rupees 200. On 25th, Geeta account settled with 10% discount. These are the transactions which are related to Geeta. And in this problem, you are asked to prepare a personal account of Geeta. So you are asked to prepare Geeta account, and transactions related to Geeta are given in the problem. So to solve this problem, first we need to prepare a ledger pro forma. In the solution, first you prepare the ledger pro forma. You know how to prepare the ledger pro forma. In the ledger, there will be two parts, debit side and credit side. In the debit side, there are 4 columns: date, particulars, JF number, amount. Similarly, credit side, there will be 4 columns: date, particulars, LF number, amount. You need to prepare the ledger pro forma. After preparation of ledger pro forma, you need to write the account name on the above of the ledger account as a title. You need to write the account name. Whose account we ask to prepare here? We ask to prepare Geeta account. So you go to write on the top of the ledger pro forma the name of a person, Geeta. Geeta account. Here you prepared Geeta account. Okay, students. Now see the transactions. There are some transactions are given. So for these transactions, we can go to think the journal entries in your mind, and post the information in the Geeta account. Okay, here we ask you to prepare only Geeta account, not other accounts. Of course, if for the practice point of view, you may prepare other accounts also, but in the annual examination, you will be asked to prepare only one account. So in this problem, you are asked to prepare Geeta account, right? See here, when you observe these transactions, first transaction, March 7, 2014, balance due from Geeta. Whenever you see these two words, due from, which mean that tells about the person as a debtor. So balance due from Geeta. Here Geeta has to pay 3,400 rupees as on March 7th, 2014. So she is the debtor. So debtors comes under assets. Assets always show the debit balance. So here you keep in your mind a blind trick, that is, or you can go to keep this point in your mind. Whenever you see the words due from a particular person, then you think the person is a debtor. So when he is a debtor, automatically his account or her account shows a debit balance, that is opening balance. So here in the Geeta account, first you can go to write 2014 March 7 by opening balance or balance brought down, also you can go to write. Both are accepted. Either you may write as balance brought down or you can go to write opening a balance of rupees 3,500. 3,500 in the amount column you can go to write. Next, see, on 8th, sold goods to Geeta. What is the entry for this transaction? Goods sold. We sold goods to Geeta. Geeta is the receiver. Receiver account should be debited as per personal account, and goods that are going out of the business, that should be credited. Here no need to think of the goods that we sold, because we not prepared any sales account here. So here we think about only Geeta. So Geeta is the receiver or the giver? Receiver. So receiver account should be debited as per personal account. So here in the Geeta account debit side, date 8th by sales account or goods sales account, both are accepted. Here on 8th you can go to write, 2. Here 2. Either you can go to write sales account or goods sales account, both are accepted. And come to next one, purchased from Geeta. On 10th March we purchased the goods from Geeta. Here we think about the Geeta because we prepared the Geeta account. Is the Geeta giver or the receiver? When we purchase the goods from Geeta, is Geeta giver or the receiver? Yes, giver. As per personal account principle, we can go to credit giver account. Okay. So here Geeta account should be credited. Date 2014 March 10th by purchases, or you can go to write goods purchases. Both are accepted. Either you can go to write purchases account or goods purchases account. Both are accepted. Amount of rupees 1,000. Here 1,500. Sales account 1,500. Purchases account 1,000. Next come to date 15th. Paid cash to Geeta. Here we paid cash to Geeta. Think about Geeta. Is Geeta receiver or the giver? When we paid the cash to Geeta, is Geeta receiver or the giver? Receiver. Receiver account should be debited as per personal account principle. So here date 15 to cash account, amount that is 800. Okay students. So next come to received cash from Geeta. Here we received cash from Geeta. Is the Geeta giver or the receiver here? Giver. As per personal account principle, we can go to credit the giver account. So come to date 23rd by cash account rupees 500. Okay, sir. Next, come to next one. Returned goods to Geeta. Here what's happened, on other day we purchased the goods. See here, on 10th we purchased the goods from Geeta. So because of some defaults in goods, we returned the goods to Geeta. So when we returning the goods to Geeta, is the Geeta receiver or the giver? Yes, receiver. Receiver account should be debited as per personal account principle. Here return goods account you can go to write, or purchase returns goods account you can go to write. Both are accepted. Date 25th to goods returns account or purchase returns account. Both are accepted. Goods returns account or purchase returns account. Amount of rupees 200. Okay, sir. Here come to next one. On 25th, what's happened? Geeta account settled with 10% discount. For this, what we have to do? We have to settle the account. We have to close the account with 10% discount. Here, to find out the closing balance in the Geeta account, first in the working notes, you calculate the total debit amount. So, if you calculate the total debit amount, you will get 5,000 rupees. 5 plus 1, 6,000 rupees. Total debit amount in the Geeta account will be 6,000. If you calculate, you will get 6,000 rupees. Okay, that can be calculated in the working notes. And come to credit side. And if you see the credit side, the credit amount is only 1,500. Okay, if you calculate the total credit amount in the Geeta account, that will be 1,500. Okay, so if you observe debit total amount and credit total amount of Geeta account, and here whichever is higher, that can be taken as a total in the amount column of both the sides. 6,000, 6,000. First you can go to write that highest amount. So after observing these two totals, debit total and credit total, whichever is higher, that can be written as total amount of debit as well as total amount of credit. Okay, next, here from 6,000 you can go to direct 1,500. From the higher value you can go to direct lower value, you will get difference amount, that is 4,500 rupees you will get difference amount. Here difference amount is 4,500. So what's happening here? We are giving 10% discount and the remaining amount we collecting from Geeta. See, if you calculate 10% on 4,500, you may get 450. So from 4,500 we reducing 10% discount as a discount 10%, 450 from 4,500. The remaining amount we are going to collecting from Geeta. So how we can go to write this? You see, by discount we can write 10% discount here. That is we calculated in the working notes rupees 450, and on the same date 25th by bank account, the remaining balance we collected from Geeta, that is 4,050. 4,050. Okay. So in this way we can go to prepare the ledger account of Geeta. Okay. Or the account ledger account we can go to prepare for the given problem in your annual examination. Students, if you are able to prepare the ledger account like this, you may score 5 marks from this topic. Once again, let me explain you the entire problem. So the problem will come for 5 marks in the annual examination, the chapter ledger account. Okay, the question will come like this: prepare Geeta account, means any person or any account may be given in the annual examination. It is one of the example problem. Prepare Geeta account from the following particulars. So here you are asked to prepare Geeta account. You are asked to prepare Geeta account, and Geeta related transactions will be given in the problem. So see here, on 2014 March 7th, balance due from Geeta rupees 3,500. So here whenever you see the due from words along with the person, then you think the person may be a debtor. So debtor comes under assets. Assets always shows the debit balance. Asset account always shows the debit balance. So here you can go to write in the Geeta account debit side as opening balance or balance carried down rupees 3500. It is the first point. It is important one. And come to next one, goods sold to Geeta. We sold the goods to Geeta. Is the Geeta receiver or the giver? Receiver. So receiver account should be debited, means Geeta account should be debited. In the particulars column you can go to write opposite account, that is sales account, amount of rupees 1500. Then purchase goods from Geeta. Here Geeta is the receiver or the giver? Giver account should be credited. So we credited his in her account 2014 March 10th by opposite account purchases and rupees 1000. And come to next one, paid cash to Geeta. We paid cash to Geeta. Is Geeta receiver or the giver? Receiver. So in the Geeta account debit side you can go to write date 15th to cash account, opposite account, this is a cash account, rupees 800. And come to next, received cash from Geeta completed and paid cash to Geeta. Here we paid cash to Geeta. Is Geeta? Yes, received. Okay. Paid cash to Geeta rupees 800. Here we paid and here we received. So received cash from Geeta rupees 500. So is the Geeta receiver or the giver? Giver account should be credited. So in the particular column opposite account name you can go to write date 23rd by cash account rupees 500. After that what's happening? Return goods to Geeta. We return goods to Geeta. So is Geeta receiver or the giver? Receiver. Receiver account should be debited. So which goods we are giving? Purchase returns. So or we can go to write goods return account, amount of rupees 200. Okay students. So last point, that is Geeta account settled with 10% discount. It is important. So we are going to settle the Geeta account, means we are collecting the due amount from Geeta, giving 10% discount to her. First of all, you can go to find out the difference amount. To finding the difference amount, we need to calculate in the working notes, that is the total debit amount and total credit amount. Debit amount, that is rupees 6500, credit amount, that is rupees 1500. See, after calculating the total debit and credit amounts in the working notes, find out the highest value. The highest value is debit amount. That can be taken both the sides of the account in the amount column, 6000. Next, what we have to do, from the highest value we can go to direct lowest value. From the higher value you can go to direct lower value. You will get the difference figure, that is 4500. On 4500, this is the actual amount we need to collect from Geeta. But the condition is that 10% discount will be given to Geeta for the settlement of account. So on 4500, if you calculate discount at the rate of 10%, you may get 450 rupees. So this 450 is called as a discount. So here you can go to write 25th by discount at the rate of 10%, that is 450. From 4500 you can go to direct 450 and you will get 4050. This amount we collected from Geeta for the settlement of her account. So in this way you need to prepare the ledger account for the given problem in the exams. Students, I hope you understood how to prepare the ledger account. Thank you for watching this video.